Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, you will learn two ways to make singular nouns plural. Some nouns follow specific rules, but there are also exceptions. For other nouns, there are no rules, and you just need to memorize the singular and plural forms. If you need help, a dictionary is useful. First, you will learn that adding S to some nouns changes the S sound in a different way. Next, you will learn that some nouns need a spelling change to become plural. After the lesson, you can practice by completing exercises 1 to 4. The answers are provided after exercise 4. Let us begin. How to make a singular noun plural. One way to make a singular noun plural is to add S at the end of the word. When adding S at the end of nouns, the letter S makes two different sounds depending upon which letter it will follow. When adding S at the end of nouns that end in F, K, P, and T, S sounds like the S sound in the word sat. For example, the singular noun roof becomes roofs. The singular noun cliff becomes cliffs. The singular noun rock becomes rocks. The singular noun map becomes maps. The singular noun gift becomes gifts. When adding S after all other letters, S sounds like the Z sound, usually. For example, one dog becomes two dogs. One bed becomes two beds. One gull becomes two gulls. One bun becomes two buns. Another way to make a singular noun plural is to change the spelling of the noun to its plural form. For example, one man becomes two men. One woman becomes two women. One person becomes two people. One mouse becomes two mice. One foot becomes 2 feet. One tooth becomes two teeth. Now, test your understanding of forming plural nouns. Complete exercise 1 to 4. The answer key to exercise 1 to 4 is at the end of exercise 4. Exercise 1. Number your paper 1 to 10. In each group of words, only one is plural. Write the plural noun on your paper. Please pause the video as needed to work at your own pace. Exercise 2. Number your paper 1 through 10. Write the plural of each word on your paper. Please pause the video as needed to work at your own pace. Exercise 3. Number your paper from 1 to 4. As you read the story, write the correct noun next to each number. For those who are unfamiliar with many of the words within the story, I will read the story for you, and you are to write the correct noun next to each number. Ready? Let us begin. Hey, Jan, said Bess. We are going to the dogs park. Do you want to come? Yes, I do, answered Jan. Do you have a pets? Asked Bess. No, I do not have a pet, answered Jan. I am going to the dog parks with you just for the fun of it. Bess, do you have a dog? Asked Jan. No, she does not have a dog, Jan. Bess has 10 cats, said Dan. We go to the dog park to watch the dogs have fun. I am glad that you are coming with us, said Jan. I think that we will have a lot of fun. Please pause the video as needed to work at your own pace. Exercise 4. Number your paper from 1 to 10. Write the singular noun for each word. Please pause the video as needed and work at your own pace. Answer key for exercise 1. The correct answers for exercise 1 are kids, cats, men, eggs, lips, socks, cuffs, gifts, decks, belts. The correct answers for exercise 2 are women, ducks, rafts, lamps, welts, hands, legs, dads, moms, men. Answer key for exercise 3. Read along with me if you are able to. I will read the story that has all the correct answers. Ready? Let us begin. Hey, Jan, said Bess. We are going to the dog park. Do you want to come? Yes, I do, answered Jan. Do you have a pet? Asked Bess. No, I do not have a pet, answered Jan. I am going to the dog park with you just for the fun of it. Bess, do you have a dog? Asked Jan. No, she does not have a dog, Jan. Bess has 10 cats, said Dan. We go to the dog park to watch the dogs have fun. I am glad that you are coming with us, said Jan. I think that we will have a lot of fun. Answer key for exercise 4. The correct answers are man, person, hand, leg, hip, park, mom, dad, woman, foot. Great job. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day and review what you have learned in this lesson. If you find it difficult to complete any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you know and understand how to make nouns plural. When you understand how to make nouns plural, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning this interactive lesson, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.